What's up everyone? Welcome back to our coolest gadget series, where we make a list of the most useful and the most unique devices you can get your hands on today. Make sure to stay with us to the end of the video. Some of these devices might change your life for the better, or they'll just look really cool in your space. We got an array of high-tech things from suitcases, locks, to robots. We got a lot to share with you guys. If you want the product, make sure to check the description where we'll add all the links. So let's get ready to explore different kinds of gadgets that you've never seen before. Get comfy, grab a snack, and without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can continue to enjoy our videos. Number 1. DIY Kit. Magnetic Levitating Module. Imagine your friends come over to your place and you got your stuff levitating. If that isn't the best conversation starter, I don't know what is. The first product on our list is this Magnetic Levitating Module. Everyone can now make a measurement tool. This DIY kit has a solid magnetic base. It's fairly simple and easy to use as it has clear instructions written on it, so you don't have to have engineering knowledge to work it. The two options vary in size and strength. The small base holds up to 5.2 ounce objects and the large base holds up to 10 ounces. As you can see, even the iPhone can float in the air, but it's best to use a magnetic ball that comes in the pocket. A 12-volt power adapter is also included. It's a great way to show off your engineering skills without needing to get that degree. Number 2. Giant AirPods. Bluetooth speaker. A massive AirPod blasting music as a speaker. How cool does that sound? It's simply a Bluetooth speaker implanted in the entertaining shape of our daily use AirPods. It's easily chargeable and has many buttons to control the settings and playback of your music. The principal air terminal brings incredible sound and a rich 5-watt influence. The inherent top-notch mouthpiece permits you to answer calls from the speaker. Your speaker probably looks boring, so switch it out for this instead and be the life of every party. How can anyone not remember that dude with the huge AirPod speakers? Number 3. Tritium Ring. How about this metallic ring? Okay, maybe it looks somewhat uninteresting, but this ring is self-securing and made of strong titanium. The metal doesn't rust and doesn't move. The ring is foremost used for self-defense. The best part is the honed tungsten steel head, sufficiently able to break the glass. What's more, the two implicit tritium tubes shine in obscurity, and when secure, the ring has one more capability that goes about as a compact container opener. Ideally, you won't ever require extra elements. Number 4. Mini Sport Action Camera. This product is a must-need if you like to capture your life and video on the move. This camera is extremely durable. Drop it, hit it, wet it, you won't destroy it. It safeguards the water from falling multiple times and safeguards the residue. The camera likewise has an attractive plan for consistent mounting, or you can wear it on your arm with the belt connected. This camera is sufficiently packed to look like a smartwatch. It utilizes an 8-megapixel focal point with an f1.8 opening. The light mode gives exceptional low light execution and wide reach mode with the 153-degree seeing point. Remember about the 1080p goal, and the camera has Wi-Fi empowered, so you can connect it to your telephone and share your photographs and recordings on social media. A committed portable application permits proficient altering and moment sharing. This is the perfect sub for a GoPro. Go for it! Number 5. Flexible RGB LED Matrix. Here's a flexible RGB LED matrix. Whether you need to put up a sign or just a cool display of colors, this product can be of multiple uses. The adaptable board is furnished with brilliant LEDs, making it possible to have full control over the LED. The substrate of the printed circuit board guarantees great intensity dissemination. This thing is perfect for showing beautiful liveliness and instant messages. Each LED can be changed independently in this way, and some exceptional programming you oversee on the screen. Assuming that you pick straightforward arrangements, the pre-customized regulator is stacked with a wide range of astounding light impacts. Add some light to your life and create your own signs. Number 6. Self-Balancing Cube. This gadget is a truly amazing piece of engineering. Maybe it lacks a great amount of functionality, but it's okay to have something just because it's really cool. This cube is a steady, solid shape that can stand on its own, balancing itself on the edges. What's more, you should put in more effort to break the equilibrium. The development is extremely confounding at the same time. Let me make sense of the primary part. To start with, there are 3 response wheels controlled by an electric engine and an installed processor. 3D Square gets constant estimations from inertial sensors and heartbeat sensors in light of this information. The roundabout regulator can change the 3D Square in its place. A similar framework is utilized to settle satellites in space without simply estimating. The 3D square can hop and make a controlled fall, thus it goes without help from anyone else in one spot, and you should simply associate the USB. Adding this to your space brings such an interesting look to your life, especially if you enjoy awesome engineering. Number 7. Pip-Boy Assistant. A little bit of nostalgia for you guys. One of the features from the Aftermath games is currently accessible. A Pip-Boy partner that consolidates the version with all the data you really want to live. These formal authorized dealers thusly are incredibly valid, and meticulously you will quickly see a green visual connector and parchment wheel controls with incorporated sound system speakers. The contraption can get calls and play music. You can likewise interface a Pip-Boy to your telephone to get informing contacts and the music library. It is exceptionally gorgeous, so you don't need to wear it constantly. Pip-Boy accompanies a double stand as a charging base and has additional speakers and is sent in this cool container case. Number 8. AIRBOLT, the truly smart lock. You have to protect your things while you travel, and that might get difficult with your bags in the hands of other people. So this next product can ease all of your worries with its easy access. With this astonishing shrewd lock, you won't ever need to stress over your baggage from now on. It's constrained by a versatile application which brings you definite data and customization choices. From here on out, you will open the lock by basically entering the secret key in the app. Another great component is the caution that works when the lock is excessively far away from your telephone. You didn't hear your freight alert track down with the full tracker out there. You get a total history of each and every time the lock is open and shut to endure the climate, which implies it is ideal for any diversion. Notwithstanding these delightful highlights, the gadget is minimized and wonderful and arrives in various cool tones. You can add a couple million to the application and offer access with your companions or family. You should accuse the lock of a little USB link just one time per year. That is an outstanding device. Number 9. AIRBOLT GPS Tracker. And here's another very useful gadget, an integrated and smart GPS tracker that will help you stop losing things. You can put it in your bag or purse with your pet or give it to your baby. If a child goes missing, there's a warning button that immediately sends you to the current location. The mobile app also notifies you when you leave your belongings. Finally, the tracker weighs only 0.7 ounces and incorporates one into each bag. Number 10. Cyber Gladiator Armor. If you've been missing a workout, don't worry. This future weapon will regain your strength made of brushed aluminum. This item is heavy as it looks, but it's still comfortable to wear, thanks to fabric lines and adjustable tabs. The fun part starts when you light up blue or white light panels depending on your choice. Number 11. Enigma Coffer by Oceanus Brass. This premium bag is the most reliable item in the world. When it comes to your valuables, there is no need for a key or a fingerprint reader. You will be the only one who knows the secret way of locking. There's a small ball inside that is caught by a magnetic field. A box from the corner and the ball will be pulled out. Such methods were used in steam logs in the 19th century. Number 12. Millo Blender. The latest modern blender means a clean and portable design. Touch the controllable base and a dedicated mobile app. However, the coolest feature is the magnetic air drive technology that makes the blender extremely quiet and fast. Two versions are slightly different in design and control. The latest Millo uses an accurate circle ring to indicate speed level and battery status. The whole foundation is sensitive to touch. You can use it on either side, and the blender is recharged with USB-C, which means you can take it to work with you. Number 13. Magic Castle Memo Pads. Get ready for a masterful and beautiful memo pad at all times. Ripping the page, the contour of the 3D castle becomes clearer and clearer. Step by step, page by page approaches Hogwarts' beautiful little statue. As for the note sheet itself, there are 150 pages. Naturally, the note's stuck, but who cares? We want Hogwarts. The model has amazing details about all those towers and the built-in light. The transparent acrylic cover protects the castle as a magic spell. By the way, this is not just a decoration. Many of these Hogwarts may serve as pen holders. Number 14. Scosche Rhythm24. No matter what kind of sport you're in, it is important to monitor your heart rate during exercise. This gadget will be your help. It uses green and yellow sensors to ensure accurate measurement of any skin tone. A loose, fast lock strap will securely attach the device to your front biceps or triceps. You can leave your phone at home. This feature is self-contained and has a built-in battery that can be used for 24 hours. In addition, with a real heart rate monitor, it can measure your running distance or cadence of the bike, and as it is not fully hydrated, the gadget is perfectly suited for swimmers. Bluetooth is enabled, which means you can easily download all the data on your smartphone and other devices listening to your heart, as they say. That's all for today's video, guys. Take a minute to comment on which of these products you're going to buy and let us know what videos you'd like to see from us next time. Thanks for watching.